Shubor nakaslem jong Liengsuiñ Hima.
Menteri Katanat Civil Aviation ke Sorkar India Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu habakran shakila pathai khubor hadian bala pelaj ba ya ke Seaplane hapung umyam hena ke sngi ulaong basyan ke Sorkar India kan sashna Pynïar no ikakat Liengsuiñ ke badan Umroi kenang bagi Liengsuiñ bahe kin la banhiar hakati ke jaka ulaong bagi jing temu jong Katanat Civil Aviation kalong bagi kwa bagi paj ba kin le jing le de ke Liengsuiñ kenang bakan khamsuk bat kumjuru Katanat kalayale akat bala banbu iki jaka yang Liengsuiñ Hamala ki jaka hagi Jylla jong kari India. Ulaong ru bawat ladon ki jaka ki bambiang ban shnakat Liengsuiñ, Henry kin persyang ban penankam daki wa ni ki dam, ne duriau, dak bawan ra daki Seaplane. Shu ulaong baki Jylla syaki than syatay lami ngi, kidai ki bakring bha hakakam jungokai, hak baki brio na kaleng kari bat kaperthai barok kawai, ki kwa banwan ban jungokai ban pet yaga jing itanat kamariang bat ban singkam singjam. Kumta ka jingwan ra iki Seaplane kan la ban kampensuk, bat kentiu ya kam jungokai kumta ka Sorkar India kan Kyrshan ni ke Jylla Meghalaya ban penlong kum ke Jylla ke bagi nong jungokai kinsuk ban wan sya ke Jylla lingba ki Liengsuiñ ki Seaplane bat ki helikopter ula benrap
To bring the seaplane for a demo to the northeast state of Meghalaya under the support from the support of Chief Minister of Meghalaya, a good friend, dear friend, young and dynamic Chief Minister Conrad Sangmaji. With his support, we were able to do a demo presentation here, and we just had a wonderful trip. We went to the Shillong airport and also saw the Shillong city from the plane itself. And this gives us the potential of seaplane operations, especially in the northeast, where still connectivity is a big challenge. And if you look at the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has taken the connectivity of northeast with topmost priority. Let it be road connectivity, rail connectivity, or air connectivity. He wants the northeast to be integrated with the mainland with the best connectivity that is possible. And from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, we want to ensure that his vision becomes a reality, and we have expanded the airport network also in the northeast, and today to take it much more further to reach to the more remotest areas, we are utilizing the seaplane network. And earlier also seaplanes was launched in the country, but we saw that there are certain challenges that have emerged. So we spoke with the stakeholders, we have taken their suggestions, and now we have liberalized the regulation a little bit so that the industry can flourish, the seaplane operations can come up with the full potential. And today in the Umroi lake, and it's a wonderful, beautiful landscape that we have here. And imagine the kind of boost the seaplane operations can give, not just for the connectivity, but also the tourism in the Meghalaya sector. So that is what we want to tap into. And now with this kind of seaplane, this has been brought by de Havilland from Canada. And this is a plane which can land in the water, which can land in the sea, which can land in regular airports also. It's an amphibian aircraft. So any place that you want, you can land, you can take the air connectivity to that region. So we see that there is a big potential for the seaplane operations. We will partner with the state government of Meghalaya, and we will see which all locations are the possible locations. And our Chief Minister has also guided us to look at Tura location, where it is his dream to give a connectivity, air connectivity to that region. And I see that possibility, the dream becoming a reality with the seaplane operations. And also he wants the expansion of Shillong airport. We went to the Shillong airport, we have reviewed the situation there, and definitely within 1.5 years time, we want to see that the operations are expanded and big aircrafts can also land there and boost the connectivity of the state of Meghalaya. Our intention from the Ministry of Civil Aviation is Hawai Chappal se Hawai Jahaj ka safar. Each and every person of this country should aspire to travel by air. We want to bring in affordable air travel into the country and connect each and every nook and corner of the country with air travel. Wherever airports, there is a possibility, we are building more airports. In the last 10 years, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, we have expanded the airport network from 74 to 157. And wherever there is no possibility for doing an airport, we are going to use the water bodies, we are going to use rivers, we are going to use the coastline, the seas of the country, so that we can connect them to through the seaplanes also. And we are also doing a 2-day civil aviation summit in the state of Meghalaya, and we once again thank the Honorable Chief Minister for letting that happen. So one is the helicopter and small aircraft summit, which happens usually in different parts of the country, and we have brought it under the partnership of State of Meghalaya. We are hosting it here in Shillong itself, and tomorrow we have a Northeastern Aviation Summit. So with these two summits will help us boost the aviation network in the Northeast especially. Northeast is such a place where people don't, not only from the rest of the country want to come here, but now we are seeing a growing demand for the rest of the world also wanting to come here. They want to come here for tourism, they want to come here for spirituality, they want to come here to connect to the nature, and they want to come here for business activities also. So this is going to be a big potential hub for us in terms of connectivity, not just in terms of the regional connectivity, but across the globe also. And we are going to support the state government of Meghalaya in whatever aspirations or in whatever plans that it has, and we'll offer our full support and see and ensure that Meghalaya is properly connected through air, let it be through the regular airports or seaplane operations or helicopter operations. Thank you.